Day 2, Danish Alphabet, H to P with Pronunciation Tricks. Title: Learn Danish Letters H to P with English Sound Tricks.
Danish Script Hej. I dag fortsætter vi med det danske alfabet fra H til P. Vi fokuserer også på udtale og tricks til at huske lydene H, H, I, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, P, P.
Pronunciation tips. J is tricky. It's pronounced like Y and yes, not like J in job. I always sounds like E and C, even in longer words. H is soft and sometimes barely heard. P is sharp, almost like a popping sound.
Praktike Line, gentag efter mig. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P.